Good morning from Acorn Homestead. Welcome back. It's a lovely morning. It's about 2 degrees. It's December the 3rd. It's about noon. I was up early and did some planting, not planting, filling of pots, as you already saw. And I'm going to move this wee shelf that I built and find a place for it somewhere. I'm not really sure where. I was thinking of maybe putting it over there in the sunshine, like somewhere in there, but I don't know. I just want it somewhere that I can just leave it with all the pots on it and everything and pick it up in the spring. That might be an okay place. I would have to clean up the nettles because there's an awful lot of nettles just right there. So let's see. No, I can't go over there. There's too much other stuff. Well, there's nettles, and then I threw a bunch of pumpkins in the grass. I got a whole schwack of pumpkins from a friend of mine at work, and where she works, and I took out the seeds of 15 pumpkins, and they're delicious actually. I've eaten a lot of them, but they're good. I was also thinking right here, but obviously I would have to move this bag. Probably going to be covered with plastic anyways. Well. I'll go get them. As you can plainly see, there must be yummy stuff underneath the bag. I don't want to leave the bag there. Finding yummy grubs and stuff. What are you guys doing? Why are you following me so? Shoo, 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 shoo. Shoo, 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 shoo. Shoo, shoo, shoo. What are you doing? Trip, 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 trip. Ready? What? Keep the water off, really. I don't know if I'll need anything to block them from getting in the side. Chances are the cats will stay in there, assuming I don't lose them all. I guess we know which one is a rooster. I thought I only had 3, but I guess that little guy's a rooster too. Okay. How do I tell him apart now? How am I supposed to tell you apart from the rest? I know that's a rooster. I hope that one's not a rooster. That means I have 5 roosters. And then that means also 5 hens. I know that's a hen. Maybe the tall skinny one is going to be a rooster and the other one isn't. Although their tails are quite the same. Hard to know. Hard to know. Well, that'll do. Enough chicken and I have to go and get ready for work and stuff. Get out! And the black hen there, who is the mom of some of these, she started laying eggs again today, or last night. Miserable. Don't be so miserable. So, yeah. Well, we'll see. All right, have a great day. Enjoy the sunshine wherever you are.